Thank you so much for your continuous support towards my project, Animals Water Ball Project India. It's been more than 1 year. We tried our best to create some impact, which is not possible with me alone. You all came forward to support this project with a lot of trust. Thank you so much. Keep supporting this project continuously and also encourage and recommend across your friends and network. Today, I'm coming up with one more venture called Animal Mark. I want to come up with some new idea where we want to encourage the startups and the corporates to consider NGOs or individuals who are working towards animal welfare. Here at Animal Mark, we sell animal cruelty-free products and services. Please support the cause, please support the project, and please continue your support to all my projects wherever I am going to start today in the future. The animal welfare and animal rights are well taken care in this country and across the world. Let's do our best as a team. Keep supporting. Thank you so much.